We know that Israel has a really vibrant tech ecosystem. TLV is a leading deployer of capital. So I want your take on the situation on the ground there. How is this impacting the tech investment landscape or your own investment decisions?
So I think it's, that's very unfortunate, as you said before, what happened. And, we just raised a new fund of $250 million. I think our investors believe in us that we know how to deal with it. And Israeli high-tech is very strong. I think it will survive. The main question now is where? Will people relocate more? Is it going to be, it's just going to be how it will going to shape. I've been in this industry since 2000, so 23 years. In the first decade that I've been in the industry, foreign investors asked Israeli companies, to flip, to become US companies. Nothing happened anymore. In the last 15 years, everybody has so much confidence in the Israeli high-tech and the Israeli court system and law system. And unfortunately, I think we'll have to see how to deal with all this situation because the government is really acting against its people and against its economy.
It does seem as if Netanyahu's plans are really hurting investor sentiment, though. We've seen Israeli stocks, Israeli bonds, the shekel all performing pretty terribly so far this year. So has this damaged Israel's standing as a business and innovation market, or does it appear, at least on the outside, that business is still happy to deploy capital, still happy to invest on the ground there?
Yeah, so I think it really hurts the way people, again, as I said, investors are looking in Israel because there is less certainty now of what's going to happen with Israel and how the law, how will the law and the Supreme Court will have enough power to control the government. And I think that's, as I said, Israeli high-tech is very strong and it will adapt. And by the way, everything you see on the street, there's a lot of high-tech and top units, which actually form the high-tech industry, are going to the street to fight it. I think last night, unfortunately, we lost the first battle, but I think in the general war to protect democracy, I'm still hopeful that we'll win. And again, uncertainty is something that business people don't like. And I think we see more and more questions arising. When we started the fundraising a couple of months ago, there was no question about it. But recently, yes, I've been asked many times, and we've been asked how this will happen going forward. And I just hope that going forward, the reform will not continue as it's just started. And this judicial overhaul will stop. Because it's just hurting the economy, and everything you see on TV, there's a lot of excellent people from the high-tech, from top military, and again, from every aspect of the country. I think it's just the majority of people don't want this reform. It's hurting the economy, it's hurting the military, it's very divisive, and I just hope, we have to hope that it's going to stop.